Hello everyone, welcome to the 25th lesson of our course, which is a part of the course that is going on 30 days to powerful vocabulary. In this lesson, I will continue the words that I have been telling you for different colors, which are bit obscure and hidden. So these obscure words for colors are going to help you knowing many different words and interesting words for different colors. So in this lesson we are going to continue with the letters I to Z. This course is presented by me, Harshita Jain. I am pursuing my graduation from Delhi University. I am a CSC aspirant and my interests include writing, dancing and photography. If you like my lessons, to follow me on Unacademy. This is my profile link, and do rate and review the course and recommend this lesson if you like it. Somewhere here is the recommend option. Now the first word that we have for today is isabeline, which means grayish yellow. So a grayish yellow color is isabeline, and the next word that we have is jacinth. Now jacinth is not the correct pronunciation, it's jacinth, and it is another word for orange color. Now this is interesting. Have you ever thought that orange color would have such a word be used in place of it? But there is. So yeah, this is the word and this is how we use it. The next word is commerce. Now commerce is a word which is used for brilliant red color. So commerce is a word used for brilliant red color. I'm just repeating to make it more clear for you. The next word is lovat, which is a name for blue and green color. So blue green color, I'm sorry, is the word for lovat. The next one is madder. Now madder is a reddish or red orange color. Okay, so madder is a word for a red orange color. The next one is sable. Now sable means of a dark black color. So the black lovers out there, you can also say that you're a sable lover. Okay. The next one is saccharine. Now saccharine is the word for fresh colored thing. So something that is fresh colored can be called as saccharine. Now the next word is samaragdine, which is the word for emerald color, right? So emerald color is this, and you can also call it samaragdine. The next word is vermilion, which is again for bright red color, right? So for bright red color you can also say vermilion. So thanks for watching, and I'll just quickly revise the words for you. It was isabeline, which is grayish yellow color, jacinth, which is orange color, commerce, brilliant red color, lovat, blue green color, madder, red orange color, sable of a dark black color, sarcoline, which is samaragdine, emerald green color, and vermilion, which is for bright red color. So I hope you enjoyed watching the lesson. If you liked it, do recommend it, and thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for appreciating the lesson so much. Thank you.